3. For today's video, we will be making 5 homemade experiments in physics. So sit back, relax, and be amazed by our experiments. Thank you.
Good day, everyone.
Did you know that you can inflate the balloon without blowing it?
If you wanna know how, let's watch this.
I'm Lori,
And I'm Jana.
and we will prove it by doing an experiment.
In this experiment, we will be needing a bottle, vinegar, baking soda, and balloon.
We will need a bottle of vinegar, baking soda, and a balloon. This experiment demonstrates how state of matter can change mixing liquid and solid to create a gas. First, pour the vinegar in the bottle and pour the baking soda in the inside of the balloon. And put the balloon in the top of the bottle, and the balloon will be inflated without using air pump. This is the chemical reaction between in the baking soda and vinegar. The carbon dioxide is a gas that is produced when a vinegar and baking soda is combined.
Whiteboard marker, porcelain plate, and a glass of water.
First, draw anything on the plate and shade the colorless ones and add the water to it. So the drawing in the plate is moving because of the ink of the whiteboard marker, which consists of 4 ingredients, which is this is a carrier, chlorine, resin, and release agent of the soil silicon substance, so that the ink of the marker doesn't become permanent, because remember, oil floats above the water because it is less dense. First, cut a circle from the can and put a line on it to get the very center. Cut in it to 8 end, most be folded facing up, and put a cut pieces of a can on the top of the stick and put in on the wood with a glue so it doesn't fall, and place a candle under the pieces of can while the can is spinning. Example, when the candle is it the heat up the air around, it is the coolest part. This is the warm air is actually lighter than cold air. So the warm air is rises up and the cold air, which is heavier, sink down. This cold air sink down to the candle and the warm air around the candle, and the warm and cold air creating an endless cycle of warm and cold air. First, take a ball pen and cut the end of the ball pen and put ink on the end of the leaf, and put in a basin with water and see what will happen. The key to the movement of the leaf is the Marangoni effect. In the 1860s, a scientist, Carlo Giuseppe Matteo Marangoni, noticed So it flowed due the gradient inertial tension. When a liquid is mixed with another liquid, the surface tension decreases. First, wet the tissue paper and squeeze it to get rid of the excess of water, and put it on the plate and place the candle with the flame. On the tissue paper, cover the glass and compress it and wait for a few seconds until the flame will disappear. And when the fire is gone, try to lift the glass and you will see the result. So the plate is lit with the glass because when the oxygen inside of the glass is burn the air, pressure will decrease, so the air inside the glass will have a higher air pressure. The cup is pressed against the wet glass, so the glass is stuck.